Hey, Grayson, here we go. Here it goes. This is Num Num. Num Num. This is Cherry. Cherry applesauce. Num Num. Can you say Num Num? Grayson? You are such a goose nugget. Look at you, goose nugget. Num Num. Did you drink all of your juice? Yeah, say it. Say Num Num. Num Num. Oh, don't put Num Num. Yes, Num Num. Giving me kiss? Yes, giving me. That's a Grayson kiss. That's a Grayson kiss. Wake up. Num num. Num num. Num num. You got sugar for Mimi? You got a kiss for Mimi? Such a silly boy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Num num. Num num. Num num. Num num. Num num. Num num.
Num num.
Num num. That's a Grayson kiss. Is that a Grayson kiss? Oh, wait, go. Num num. Num num. Num num. Num num. That's a Grayson. Okay. Oh. Num num. Num num. Num num. Num num. Num num. Oh, what else? It's supposed to have a full meal's worth of vegetables and fruit, and it's cherry flavored. Yum num, num num, num num. Such a big boy now. Yes. Say Mimi. Where's Mimi? Where's Mimi? Say you silly old woman. You're a goof nugget. Goof nugget, get that tongue back in there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ba ba ba. Me 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 me. And Grayson is delighted because his Mimi's here tonight. Right? See, I'm getting all hyped up here. Whoa! Are you getting full? Grayson? What? It's not Grayson, that's not funny. Grayson, no! Grayson. You think that's funny? Ba. Me. Me. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. Here it comes. Nom. Grayson. I think you've had enough. Where's Mimi? Where's your Mimi? Grayson? Baba. Okay, here we go. We're not going to splash that all over Mimi's face. That's not going to happen, okay? Okay, look.
Dad.
Mimi.
Dad.
Huh? The what? The what? Tell us about it. Tell Mimi about it. Huh? Tell me about it. You ready to get your jams on? You ready to get your jams on? I'm not going to let you have that. You know what's going to happen. You're going to throw it just something. Get it everywhere. Grayson? Okay, one more bite. Yum, num. Num. Okay, you ready to get cleaned up? Huh? You ready to get cleaned up now?
That's not.
Mimi? Where's Mimi? Where's Mimi? Where's Mimi? Are you ready to get down? Are you? Yeah? Okay, let's get cleaned up. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Gracie. Alright. Okay. Alright. Let me get over here with you. Say bye-bye. Let me take her glasses off. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Grayson? Bye. Okay. Fine. We're going to get down and play now. Right. Oh, well, no, we're going to grab the string. No, okay. Bye, Grayson.